health evaluation will be requested.
Okay, understood. All right, we'll take up the waive case 23 CR 003532E, in which defendant is charged with criminal trespass. Mr. Howard,
First arrest.
first arrest.
That's
All
why
right. All right, Mr. Young.
Yes, Your Honor. On June 1st, 2023, at 156 Mill Street Northwest in Atlanta, this is the Atlanta Union Mission. The defendant returned to this location after being previously trespassed. The state is in agreement with the 1,000 surety bond that's been preset. And we also ask for a stay away from this location and no alcohol, drugs, or weapons while out on bond.
All right, thank you. I'm sorry, what was the amount?
The $1,000 surety bond.
Okay, I'm sorry. All right, go ahead, Ms. Wells.
In light of what I've shared, I don't have
Any objection to
Yes,
that?
no objection. I would just ask that we be allowed to come back and modify if we're able to locate or identify any of Mr. Douglas's known family members.
All right, understood. Mr. Wills will submit the respective order, and he'll receive $1,000 surety bond as well as the stay away. All right, anything further?
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon.
In light of Ms. Wills' request, can we put him on next week's competency calendar? So that we can address it.
I think he still has to go to, what I've been told, he still has to go to SAP on that.
And I can just tell you, Judge, that the last few days we've been sending, people have been sent to that calendar if an eval was being requested. So
if it's been requested, but okay, I don't have an objection to that. But I've been told before, sometimes I've said that, put it on competency, and I've been told it's still the same calendar essentially, unless he's set on a Tuesday. You're asking for next week's SAP
next Thursday, right? Thursday
instead of the 15th, where we're resetting all the other SAPs.
Right, because the competency calendar is every Thursday.
Right, I'm aware. What I'm concerned about is I know what you're saying, and other people may be doing. I just got instructions that we're supposed to be sending these directly to SAP. Ms. Champion, do you want to weigh in? Can it go to the competency calendar next week?
It can go to the competency on the 15th because the 8th already has 35 defendants on it.
Okay, see, that's what I was told. In general, it has to, even if we're requesting evals, originally it gets reset one time to an SAP calendar, and from there it goes. But I don't know.
Yeah, I think that just would extend the time, Judge. But I will work with Deputy Falk and try to figure out if we can find something prior to that. She and I can deal with it.
Okay, and if there's other concerns, perhaps a different type of court might be appropriate too. So I was going to suggest that. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to put him on the June 15th competency and / SAP date. Is the 15th a Thursday?
Yes, that will be a Thursday.
Okay, confirming that it is. Okay, so that's where he'll be reset with that bond. All right. All right, and the last waiver is Mr. Harrison, 23 CR 003525C, in which he's charged with battery family violence, with the offense date of December the 20th of 2021. Mr. Howard.
This is 10th arrest. Oh, he got the open murder charge on Superior Court, 23 CP 219008. So I'm pretty sure you got no bond there today.
Okay.
I'll leave it there. Okay.
This is an old case as well, Mr. Young.
Yes, Your Honor. This incident occurred on December 20th, 2021 at 210 Peter Street Southwest in Atlanta. The victim in this case is Janine Stone, who would also ask the court to sound for her when appropriate. The defendant allegedly struck the victim in the face multiple times before dragging her across the floor of their apartment. The attack caused lacerations to the victim and bruises. And when speaking with the victim, she says the defendant slammed her on the bed and then the floor, got on top of her, began strangling her. Said she couldn't breathe. He then took a gun out, pointed it at her, then put it in himself, said he would kill himself. And as a result of all of this, she ended up leaving Atlanta. She wants no contact. She is in extreme fear of this defendant. It's obviously from the record that he is a very violent individual. So the state is asking for a $10,000 cash bond, no further contact, a stay away, no alcohol, drugs, and weapons.
Ms. Wells?
Mr. Harrison is 30 years old. He has lived in Georgia off and on for the past several years. He states and reports that he is a current college student at Morehouse College. I am going to, or have requested, that our social services go and speak with him for further evaluation. Based on my conversation with him. My client states that the alleged victim in this case is his ex-girlfriend. She has moved to California. They have not had any communication or contact. And so we have no objection to staying away from the incident location, no further contact. Again, this incident happened back in 2021. And I would request a signature on bond or $8,000 surety bond, as my client is facing some very serious charges. And I'm sure either will receive a very high bond or no bond in that case.
All
Your
right.
Honor, if I may.
Hold
ask the
on, I
court to
forgot
sound-
the sound for the victim. I don't believe I saw her name, but Ms. Stone, are you present? Oh, Ms. Stone, you
Yes,
are present.
I'm
Please
present.
raise your right hand if you'd like to make a statement. Do you swear and affirm the testimony you give today will be the truth to the best of your knowledge and under the penalty of perjury?
yes.
All right, again, I'm not, you put your hand down. Thank you, Ms. Stone. I'm not sentencing Mr. Harrison today, and of course, he's not present with us on this Zoom proceeding. So the facts as alleged by the state of the defense are not of the critical importance. What I'm most concerned with is whether you wish to have any contact at all with the defendant and any type of fear you might feel. So please go ahead and make your statement, Ms. Stone, with the reminder that you're under oath.
I don't want any contact with Douglas Harrison at all. I'm in fear of my life for him. He's stalked me. He's followed me around Atlanta, and I had to uproot and leave the state. So I definitely fear for my life. And I don't want him to know my whereabouts or anything about me.
Okay, I understand. Thank you for coming to court and making that statement, Ms. Stone. I appreciate that. Okay, Mr. Young, I apologize. What, you were going to say something or add something to the record?
Your Honor, I was unaware if I had asked the court to sound for the victim, so I was just following up as a precautionary measure.
All right, well, I hadn't, so there's that. All right, at this time, defendant's gonna receive a $20,000 surety bond. He's to have absolutely no contact whatsoever with Ms. Stone and stay away from wherever she resides, at least 1,000 yards. Additionally, he's not to contact her by phone, internet, Facebook, and any other form of social media. Additionally, he's to have no drugs, alcohol, or weapons as a condition. Is there anything further?
No, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you. He's not here, so best of luck to him and Ms. Stone. All right, Ms. Champion, will you please review the calendar for me?
Hey, what was that contact?
No contact at all.
Position number 1 is a $6,000 pretrial bond per judge reset for the notice. Position number 2 is a total of a $2,000 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 3 is a total of a $4,000 sign-on bond jail reset SAP 615. Position number 4 is a $5,000 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 5 is a $1,000 good bond reset SAP competency 615. Position number 6 is a $20,000 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 7 is a total of a $5,000 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 8 is a total of a $2,000 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 9 is a $1,000 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 10 is a total of a $2,000 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 11 is a $3,000 sign-on bond through the jail reset per the notice. Position number 12 is a total of a $8,000 split bond reset SAP 615. Position number 13 is a $2,500 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 14 is a $5,000 good bond reset SAP 615. Position number 15 is a total of a $2,000 good bond reset SAP 615. And position number 16 is a total of a $6,000 sign-on bond through the jail reset further notice. Any questions?
Hey, you said, number 6 was 20,000?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay. Hey, you here tomorrow, right?
I am. I'll be here tomorrow. Everyone take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see some of you all tomorrow's calendar. All right. Bye-bye for now.